Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir B. Now, seeing as how 2021 start off with a piece of madness where it look like even the 87s them surprised themselves. Even them have said, why we really out to ourselves this time. Everybody who have title, have rank, have position is now crawling out of the woodworks to tell us, oh, we need to fix crime and oh, we need to do this. And people are telling us, well, if we need to bring back them money, or and if a them money in our power, if a them money was commissioner, let me explain something to you. Because as I said, Jamaica, if you realize Jamaica is the land of wood, water and delusion. Very delusional people. Right? Even when something will steer them right in front of them face, they refuse to accept it. So let me help you out. Your favorite politician is clueless about crime fighting. See, every time we get an extra bloody weekend or an extra bloody week, everybody come crawling out, throwing out for them 2 cents. Right? We're talking about in the political circles. Huh? Everybody start telling us, well, if I weed run this, right? Tribalists on the side I tell us, well, if you put back my party in power, next man I say, well, no, my party I can figure it out. I have something to tell them right now. When it comes on to crime fighting, your favorite politician or your favorite party is clueless. The most you're going to get is some buzzwords. You know, crime plan and social intervention. Hate to be the one to break it to you, even though I shouldn't have to, because the evidence has been staring in your face about 20 years now. But your favorite politician is clueless about crime fighting. See, I was reading an article in the Gleaner where the security minister and the attorney general were passing through, cause you don't know, maybe extra hot right now. And if you don't know, the Minister of National Security is the MP, right, for one part of Mobile, St. James Northwestern, and the Attorney General, right. If anybody should know how big that title is, Attorney General, right. Lady by the name of Marlene Malahoo Forte. She's the MP for St. James West Central. So 2 of the biggest titles they can have in the country. The MP them down on Mobile, right down at St. James. Right. So she's saying new laws are going to come out and they must formulate the laws them now for help blunt lawlessness. Yeah, let me explain something to you. 2021, new laws are formulated. 2021 new laws are formulated for blunt lawlessness in 2021. We never find it strange every time we get an extra bloody weekend. The powers that be act like say crime is something new to Jamaica. You can understand if you get 300 murders a year, then you go up to like 350, then 400, and then next year you go on to 1,000. And you get shocked. You get that shock of jumping from 400 to 1,000, and they can say, you know what, alright, new laws. Okay. Jamaica has been consistently hitting the 1,000 mark. And I know in 2021, new laws are formulated. How far you want me to go back? Because you see, every time crime come up, whichever party in power, the people them who don't like that party love to emphasize the fact that party is failing. I got news for you. None on the party. Right? None on the party now have no clue about fixing the crime. And if them know to fix crime, why didn't they do it already? Forget about Andrew Holness and Portia Simpson Miller. I could go back further than that. I could talk about the real numbers and data, because every time people talk about crime and murder, people make it sound like it's a recent thing, and normally it's either Portia Simpson Miller or Andrew Holness name get called. Clearly them can't fix the situation either. But I got big news for you. Long before that, Jamaica bad. How bad? We could talk about some data. We could talk about some hard facts and figures. We could go back to the first year Jamaica hit the 1,000 mark. Who remember that year? The first time Jamaica hit over 1,000 murders was 2002. Do you remember who was the Prime Minister in 2002? I'll help you out. PJ Patterson. How about the year when Jamaica hit 1,471 murders? I don't think to myself, a most recent thing that I must under Andrew Holness or Portia Simpson that a most recent thing that, because boy, the place I get bad now, what you mean get bad now? The place bad long time. Jamaica had 1,471 murders in 2004. Some of you are either agents, right, of whichever party, or you are outright enumerate. Because you can't be that foolish. These numbers are publicly available. If you care to find them, you go look for them. So when people try to push the narrative like say Jamaica, crime get out of hand in the last 5 to 10 years. In 2004, Jamaica had 1,471 murders. Do you know who was the Prime Minister in 2004? Percival James Patterson. Interesting. How about the year when Jamaica hit 1,674 murders? 1,674. Even by today's standards, that is horrific, right? 1,674. Boy, I mean, the things are only modern times. No man, I when it happen, you could have want to syrup, when it happen 2018, 2060. That, when Jamaica hit 1,600 for the first time? 2005. In 2005, 1,674 Jamaicans were murdered. When people talk about the place I get bad now and the place I get to place bad long time. Do you remember who was the Prime Minister in 2005? Again, Percival James Patterson. See, the reason I put this out is because people try to push some kind of narratives since Portia Simpson Miller and Andrew Holness days, Jamaican politicians have been failing to get a grip on crime. When in reality they've been failing, but for whatever reason, we don't want to talk about certain failures. I realize that it's easy. If I true Portia Simpson Miller and Andrew Holness, they're more in the modern times in social media, so it's just easier to see them. But guess what? Your beloved Prime Minister couldn't fix it neither. The first time Jamaica go over 900 murders was under PJ's watch. First time Jamaica go over 1,000 murders was under PJ's watch. The first time Jamaica go over 1,100 murders was under PJ's watch. The first time Jamaica go over 1,200 murders was under PJ's watch. The first time Jamaica go over 1,300 murders was under PJ's watch. First time Jamaica go over 1,400 murders was under PJ's watch. First time Jamaica go over 1,500 murders was under PJ's watch. First time Jamaica go over 1,600 was under PJ's watch. If facts and figures offend you and bother you, then hit the dislike button and subscribe and go on where you go. Good riddance. Those are not my opinions. The evidence speaks for itself. None of my favorite politicians now have no clue about no crime fighting. They're just on a giant roller coaster. As I said, when you're on a roller coaster, you don't control nothing. The roller coaster slow down, and you slow down with it. Then it speed up, and you speed up with it. And then it starts to climb up and look a hill, and you get really, really slow, and you say, oh look, things slow down, man. And then you get to the top, and then it pick up base speed and fly going down 100 miles per hour. You don't have no control, it just carry along. That's how politicians in Jamaica. Right? That's how you must think about crime in Jamaica and politicians. They're on a roller coaster. All this talk about reformulate, we got new laws that go formulate, and the crime plan and the social intervention, and we're going to step up, and we will not be deterred. They're on a roller coaster. You hear what I say? Let me get the year again. 2002, there were 1,045 murders. 2004, there were 1,471. All our favorite police them did that work. Oh, let me know the narrative there. See, then if you bring back back in the day, gunman used to fit, and back in the day, when I just do my favorite police stop work, why? Again, it's either you're enumerate, right? Or you are the highest level of agent, or you just outright troll. Maybe you're just a troll, right? Maybe you're just trolling because you can't be serious. How far back you want to go? 1998, 953 murders, just shy of 1,000. 98 World Cup. Remember 98 World Cup? And the only reason why it probably never go over 1,000 that year because of the World Cup. Because I remember doing the World Cup, come like crime stop. 953. That was also the first year Jamaica hit 900. Go on, tell me about your favorite politician and your favorite party who could have. Is it them can't do it or them don't want to do it? Is it them can't do it or them don't want to do it? Stop pushing narrative and try to push your guy if you make your guy sound like him know him I do. They know him I do. They're on a roller coaster. I believe it when I see it. I will believe it when I see it. And I'm not one of these woke-activists who love going like say it is the job of politicians alone to solve crime. No, crime is a national effort. Right. You've heard me say it many times. It's not like say you have these terrible politicians and these terrible police and then these amazing citizens in Jamaica. That's not the case at all. But part of being a leader is understanding so when things go bad, it falls upon your shoulder. But that's the next thing. Jamaica have a leadership issue, right? Notice people say them a leader in Jamaica. Anything go wrong with the people who them a lead, them find everybody to blame but themselves. They may blame all the man, they may blame all the gardener. They may blame the man who come in on the weekend and mop the floor them before them blame themselves. Right? It at the staff fault, at the money fault. Leaders stick out them chest and say, you know what, since I'm here on the show and this go wrong, it fall upon me. If the economy grow 10% and murder drop 60%, whoever is the Prime Minister that year is going to take the credit, no? When I go stick out them chest and say, see, look what we delivered. So if you have failed, every year murder go over 1,000, then man have to go stick out them chest and say, you know what? That fall upon me too. You can't claim the good and reject the bad, and that's how leadership work. Help me say, somebody have to tell them. But when enough people hear things like this and get upset and get into them feelings because they're so emotionally connected to people who do business about them. Right. But guess what? Somebody have to say it. The fact that no party, no politician cannot bring crime to under 1,000. Just 1,000, which is still extraordinarily high for Jamaican, but just go under 1,000. The fact that none of your favorite politicians can do it and haven't been doing it for the last 20 odd years means that either them can do it or them not want to do it. You can tell yourself anything you want to tell yourself. Right? You can lie to yourself all you want. You can find all the theories and the excuses and the because. End of the day, numbers don't lie. 1,471 murders in 2004. There are people listening to this video right now who not even born in 2004. Jamaica, they are already a brush against 1,500 murders. And in 2021, Attorney General tell us that they might look new laws. New laws in 2021. When are from them time there. When you look at the numbers now, you see, in a society where we run upon too much feelings, can't prosper. Notice the most successful people in the world are the people who are very analytical and data driven. Because you see, when you look at the numbers, you could have clearly see that Jamaica was moonwalking towards the gates of hell. You could have seen numbers them. But because, for example, 1 year there might be a 5% increase in a murder, then a 10% increase in a murder, and then it's like a 15%. Because the numbers now jump, right, astronomical. People are saying, oh well, I couldn't pay. No, what real smart people do is go listen. Last year, we had 410 murders. This year, we had 460 murders. I could nip it in the board from now. Now, see what Jamaicans do, because I look on this now. Your favorite politicians and your favorite society, because we're all in this together. Sit back and say, well, I just 414. Because listen to it, 1988, 414. 1989, 439. 1990, 543. 1991, 561. 1992, 629. 1994, 690. 1995, 780. 1998, 953. You notice that consistent increase. And this so you should have get nipping at the bud. Old people say bend the tree while it's young. No. Man sit down there and go, well, that's 400. Alright. From 439 to 543, not really that bad. Or from 414 to 439, not really that disastrous. Increase. The best companies in the world don't want to lose $1. The best companies in the world don't want to lose $1. Loss is loss. If you lose from the company and make a loss, fix it now. We need to do something now. So Jamaica is the company where I make losses and them say, I just $3 million loss. The next year, just $3.5 million loss. Next year, just $4 million loss. Next thing you know, them reach 100 million. There's a reason why some people thrive and others don't. Jamaica was a society where the leaders and the people just look at the numbers, just look at the data, just look at the evidence. No, man run by feeling. Yo, I feel so that party a better, yeah. But when it comes on to crime, I feel so that money better, and the numbers are right in front of them. I feel so my favorite police when him did about crime, gunman never used to, even though right in front of them eyes them can see still 1,400, 1,500 murders are going, and them favorite police and the work. Yeah, but me just feel say, if this feel. You know what me feel? Since you don't know feel. The only reason why Jamaica no ball and beg for outside help are because of pride and shame face. You hear me just say? The only reason why Jamaica no ball and beg for outside help is because of pride and shame face. It will look too bad. It will look too bad for your sovereign nation. I go tell the world, say, hey, can somebody come show you how to deal with this, please? Can somebody come show you how to set up some basic sting operations, please? Can somebody come show you how to catch just one network? A man wants sending guns now, just one. Right? There might be 10, 20, 30, 40, we don't know how much networks. Right? Smuggling networks are more through WAF. And let us WAF, we don't talk about the shores them, the beach them and everything, just WAF. We don't know how much links but just catch one. Pride and shame place for Jamaica and say, country X, can you just show off for us sketch one of these smugglers, please? A pride and shame face. Your favorite leaders run out of ideas right now. Run out of ideas. I just buzzwords and I get. Crime plan, the buzzwords. We have laws, we're working on new laws. Work on new laws? In 2021, when crime has been steadily increasing, 2021, no Jamaican leaders are upon laws. So what your favourite leaders have been doing all these years, the people them want to love so much. Right now, man, I listen to this, man, I get upset. Man, I chip be a clot. I say, wife, boy, sir, if you're dead, I'm this my boss. My, you're so passionate. If only you had that same passion for the country. If only you had that same passion for your parish, for your community. Numbers don't lie. And you can look over other man's country and say, well, the only reason why them have this and that. In the day, guess what? They're winning and you're not. That's what it boils down to. You can talk about why a man, it no matter. Point is they're winning and you're not. Go and look at some countries in West Africa. Countries that literally had to deal with civil wars in our lifetime. They're not talking about no 300 years ago, we're talking about in our lifetime. Enough people listen to this. In your lifetime, there's been countries in West Africa, East Africa, all over the place. We've had civil wars. Check Rwanda. Check the Rwandan genocide. And these countries can bounce back from civil wars. And for the murder rate, no, they're nowhere near Jamaica one. And them not have as much education. Them not have as much money because they're actually poor, not like Jamaica fake poor. Yeah. But check it, don't take my word for it. Go look on the crime rate in Rwanda. Go look on the crime rate in a Sierra Leone and them place there. Them places should lead the murder rate child because them have same access to guns and more. Years of civil wars, millions of people wiped out, and them can end civil wars and go back to a society with a lower crime rate, a crime rate that is comparable to European countries like the UK and Germany. Go check it for yourself. There are countries in West Africa whose crime rate is lower than the United States and the UK and France. But check it, because you know a poverty make a push murder rate, right? Let them tell you. That's what your favorite woke activists tell you. A country like Rwanda bounce out from a genocide. GDP will grow 8-9%. If Jamaica say 2% GDP, would I keep a party so big? Would I have to invite every sound system to be a party that big? Because I have to celebrate that 2% growth. Mediocrity and underachievement is the name of the game. But look on the bright side. We can always brag about track and field. We can always brag about gold medals every 4 years at Olympics. And there's also the music and the culture, which the world loves. So I guess for some people that's enough to beat them chest and say, yeah, things are going for me. But when the TV is off, I can't get for watching a race, and the headphones them put on, I can't get for listening to music. I will look all around, left and right, up and down. The reality of the society we live in is gonna kick in. And then you'd realize what we mean by mediocrity and underachievement. See, videos like this upset people. And that's good. Because this what I tell people they want to hear is one of the reasons I will end up over there. If your brethren really rate you, your brethren really I look out for you. He would tell you say your arm green. He would tell you say, bro, arm a kick. Right, we can't go and place the arm, so go over there, go wash off your arm and then go buy a quick roll on and rub up. Your brethren supposed to can tell us say, yo, dog, you better kick. Right. So one true we can't go and place the better kick. So that's a true brethren. That's a real friend. Right. It might not be pleasant, but it's for your own good. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, I don't know. More life. Vulture squad. Wanna do anything. Bound to be some scrap somewhere. Bless.